Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So today we are going to look into the Salesforce admin exams dumps, which might be coming to the exams. Let's see. So these are all practice dumps, and we'll look into the questions one by one, and we'll try to clear the exam. And hopefully this will add value to your upcoming Salesforce administration exams. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's go to the first question. So you have a custom object called widgets, which has a master detail relationship with accounts. What happens when you delete an account with associated widgets? You cannot delete the account. The widgets are deleted. Account is deleted. So it looks like first the B, the widgets are deleted might be the right one. What other permissions does the manage analytics snapshots permissions require? So it looks like schedule dashboards, manage on data, run the reports. So it looks to me like the schedule dashboards, the view setup and configuration, and run reports might be the answer. Which of the following are true about the default division field on the user object? Division that is applied by default. Wait for the user unless he or she explicitly sets the different division. So it looks to me the C is the so it looks to me the C is the right answer. A division that is applied by default to all new accounts and leads created by the user unless he or she explicitly sets the different division. So I'll go ahead with this. Now, existing records that meet the workflow rule criteria trigger the rule. I don't think so. This is false. When you delete a case, so it looks like all the related events, tasks, case comments, and attachments are deleted. Now, the roll-up summary and the formula fields are always read-only on detail pages. Yeah, that is true. Let's go with true. Which of the following statements is true about dashboard refreshes? So let me read and yeah, it looks to me like your organization is limited to no more than 200 scheduled dashboard refreshes. Unlimited edition users can schedule up to 2 dashboard refreshes per hour per day. Enterprise edition users can schedule up to one dashboard refresh per hour per day. Yeah, that looks correct to me. Now select the user permissions which override the field level security. So it looks like modify all the data is looks correct to me. View all data looks correct to me, and view encrypted data looks correct to me. You have to enable the report builder upgrade first to use the scatter charts. Yes, true. When creating a custom report type, all objects display in the primary object drop-down list, including those you do not have permission to view. For example, even if you don't have permission to view leads, leads are available in the primary object dropdown so that you can build lead report types for other users. Yeah, looks correct to me. Let's go with true. What is the maximum length of the alias field? Looks like 8 might be the correct answer. A virtual storage that can be used to group on criteria such as skill requirements, product categories, customer types, or service levels is called I know this, it's a case queue. Which of the following are possible with a master detail relationship? You can create a master detail relationship on a custom object that references as a standard object. Yeah, looks correct to me. And you can create a master detail relationship between two custom objects. Also looks correct to me. When you transfer an account, which of the following objects are automatically transferred? Contacts on business accounts only, attachments, notes, open activities, open opportunities owned by the current account owner. Which of the following special pick list fields are not available for record types because they are used exclusively for sales processes, lead processes, support processes, and solution processes? Case status, opportunity stage, lead status, solution status. You delete the custom field region, all data related to region will also be deleted. True. Let's do the true. With Sales Cloud enhancements in Spring 11 are automatically visible to all administrators without any setup required. Cloud Scheduler enhancements and Salesforce mobile usage data in custom report types. You have created a custom field of the type number on the account object called number of call for set line. You enter the following data in the field 073. What is stored in the Salesforce CRM? Is it C? What is the limit of master detail relationships per object? Let's move with C. It is 2. How many lead assignment rules can be active at one time? It has to be C. 1. If you give a user the weekly data export permission which is needed to export data, he or she has view access to all data that is exported and can see all custom objects and fields in the weekly export service regardless of their profile settings. True. How many external IDs can you have per object? External ID, when importing custom object solutions or personal accounts, you can use external IDs to prevent duplicate records from being created as a result of the import operation. Should be 3, that is E. When do scheduled dashboard refreshes occur? Dashboard refresh in the time zone of the user who schedules the refresh. When creating a custom report type, making the status in development hides the custom report type and any reports created from it from all users except those with the manage custom report types permission. Making the status in development also prevent all users except those with the managed custom report types permission from creating and running reports from a report type. Yeah, that is true. Joe imports records for Sarah. A non-active user, Sarah's records will be assigned to Joe. True. When transferring leads to a queue, open activities are also transferred. False. What is the new chart type available after Spring 11? It has to be scatter charts. If the primary object on a custom report is a custom object and the custom object is deleted, then the custom report type and any other reports created from it will be automatically be deleted. True. If single sign-on is enabled for your organization, API and desktop client users cannot log into Salesforce CRM unless their IP address is included on your organization's list of trusted IP addresses or on their profile if their profile has IP address restrictions list. Yes. Which of the following are options when transferring accounts? Transfer open opportunities, transfer open cases, transfer closed opportunities, transfer closed cases, keep account teams. Formula cannot reference any field that is restricted by field level security. False. Joe is attempting to import an invalid value into a pick list. The import wizard will respond with an error message. False. Which of the following statements are true about import wizard? You can import accounts, contact, lead solutions, and custom objects using the import wizard. When importing data, file size cannot exceed 100 MB and each record in the file cannot be bigger than 400 KB. You can enable field encryption by contacting Salesforce.com customer support. What are the start of day and end of day fields used for the on user object? Used to define the times that display in the user's calendar. When setting up an user, the first name of the user is not required. True. If you delete a report and change your mind, you can retrieve it from the recycle bin. True. How long does a backup data export remains on Salesforce CRM before it is automatically deleted? I think it's 24 hours. Which of the following is true if you remove the read permission from a user's profile for a standard object? Tabs of that object type will not be visible. Fields of that type will not be visible on other tabs. And the list of that type will not be visible on other tabs. Search results will not be written. I think this should be the answer. Record types are used to implement custom business processes by associating them to specific page layouts. You cannot mass remove records from an approval process. Removal of records must be done one by one. No, false. The standard object permissions are create, edit, delete, and read. When creating a recurring event, what are the maximum occurrences by interval? Daily 100, weekly 53, monthly 60, yearly 10. Which of the statements are true for cases associated to contacts and accounts? Manually entering the case received from an email, automatically generated by an email or website form. Which is true about Salesforce Knowledge Sidebar for the Service Cloud console? It automatically searches and returns articles from your knowledge base that match any of the words typed in the subject of a case. To minimize the number of sharing roles, use roles and subordinates over roles wherever possible. That's true. You can create which of the following types of email templates? Custom HTML, HTML with letterhead, text, and Visual Force. If you relabel a standard object, the standard list views on every Salesforce tab will automatically be renamed? No. With Service Cloud and Service Cloud Console enhancements in Spring 11 are automatically visible to all administrators without any setup required. Global search for the Service Cloud Console. No. Salesforce Knowledge Sidebar for the Service Cloud Console. Contextual knowledge. Multiple languages for the Salesforce knowledge. Additional case article fields available for reports and articles related list. You have to enable the report builder upgrade first to use the master charts. False. No. So with that, we complete to this day 5 of learning of our Salesforce administrator practice exams. Hopefully you have liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel TKD Health Tips to get in more and more information. Thank you. Stay safe during these days.